Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephanie, and for today's video, I am going to be unboxing my Jeans Agenda's March 2023 Deluxe Sub Box, and I'm finally getting around to opening this, and I'm super excited because I am ready to set up my Go Get a Girl for the month of March and start doing plan with me's again. So let's go ahead and get this open. So we have this beautiful black box and black tissue paper. So I wonder what is in here. I don't think I have seen any like sneak peeks or anything like that. So yeah, everything is going to be a surprise. So, oh wow, look at this already. This like velvet material, this little baggie. Okay, now I'm super curious to see what's in this. So let's put that off to the side. And let's look in here. Oh wow. Okay, so what is the best way to open this? Okay, so not too bad. So it looks green. Oh wow. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at this bag. Wow, this is beautiful. I love the zipper. Is it like silver or black? Wow, I love the feeling of this. And let's see, what is this? Oh, look at this. A smaller little like coin bag. Oh, I love how this matches. Isn't it just so pretty? Yeah, I love the material on this one. And we have a few little pockets in here. Oh my gosh, this is like just the perfect little size. Look at that. I love that. And we can maybe put that in there. This is just so gorgeous. Let me go ahead and see if we have, yeah, right over here, the tour box. Not the tour box, but the box tour little card that tells us exactly what is in here. So yeah, I am going to be using this one because this doubles up as a little like what do they say, like a quote card. This tour card doubles as a large quote card. So yeah, just punch it and add it to your planner. This is beautiful. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put this off to the side so I can kind of reference it. And let me see. So this is the Hunter Green Pebble Green Vegan Leather 2-in-1 Zip Snap Accessory Bag with a removable coin purse. So yeah, this is beautiful. I already mentioned how nice this feels, and that is because it is Pebble Green vegan leather. So this is absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me put that off to the side. And then we have a Uni Pin 01 pen. Yeah, these are great. I believe these ones work in like translucent little sticky notes. Okay, so yeah, this is a very, very fine tip, and I've used this one before, so I already know that I love this pen. And then we do have these cute and just simple, I love the black color of these skeleton paper clips. They are beautiful. And then we do have this French hairpin. So this is nice. I love the design on this, and I can already tell that it matches this right here, so that is great. So we have that one, and then we have these little quote cards. So this one says, I am priority, and then we have, if you don't love it or use it, it's clutter. Okay, I definitely need to reference this because that is a great reminder, right? And then, of course, we have the translucent sticky notes. So, yeah, like I was saying, this pen works amazing with these translucent sticky notes. And I love the size and shape of this. And it does have 50 sheets here. So, let's see. Maybe we can do Jane's. agenda. So I'm gonna give it a few seconds to see if it dries, because these are translucent and this is like a gel pen. So let's see, I'm always so scared, but look at that. Wow, that is amazing. Yeah, it dried up pretty quick, right? Okay, so all of this is already really, really cute. And then we have the translucent page finder in the turquoise shell. So look at how pretty this is. I love this pattern, the black and the colors. These are very pretty. And then we have the cleaning tracker tip-in. Let's see. Sounds like this is going to be really helpful. So let's see what is in here. So we have Monday through Sunday and then weekly tasks. So we can start like checking them off. So then we have start laundry, clean bathroom sink, wash/put away dishes, fold/put away laundry, clean kitchen counters, wipe down kitchen sink, sweep, vacuum kitchen, tidy main living space. And then we have 2 blank little sections there. And then for Monday, maybe we could dust the furniture, vacuum house, clean the mirrors, dust light fixture, and fans. That does remind me that I do need to dust off the fans, because I did see a little bit of dust last night. So yeah, this is going to be really helpful. And then maybe on Tuesday, we could clean out fridge, mop hard surfaces, take out all trash, clean microwave and stove top, restock paper towels, change towels in kitchen. And again, we do have like blank little spaces there, so you can add your own little tasks. And then maybe on Wednesday, we could clean the bathrooms, change towels in bathrooms, and maybe restock toilet paper. And again, a few spaces there. And then maybe on Thursday we could change bedroom sheets. On Friday, clean electronic screens, sort paperwork and mail, and then take out all trash again. On Saturday, we can clean the car, sweep the garage, carport, or driveway. And then on Sunday, we can make a meal plan, check household supplies, grocery shop, and clean out purse. So yeah, these are all great reminders, right? So yeah, we get a few sheets of these. Oh, this is going to be great to pop in for the week and just kind of start checking things off, right? Okay, so these are definitely going to be helpful. So I am definitely going to be adding these to my little setup that I will be doing right after this video. So definitely stay tuned for that. So there's that. And then look at this. Okay, so it's like a little dashboard, right? And right here at the top, it says this week, and then we have Monday through Sunday. Oh, could we add the little sticky note here maybe? Let's see, it looks like it's the right shape. Oh yeah, look at that. Isn't that just great? And then just pop it like in front of your planner and then have your sticky notes ready. Oh yeah, this is going to be helpful as well. Okay, so then we have these like vellum dashboards. So let's get into this. All right, so what do we have? So we have this vellum M, and then it says March 2023, volume 3, edition 31. So perfect for the month of March. Oh, look at how beautiful this one is. I love that it's black, and then this color just kind of like pops, right? Yeah, so it's like white ink and the floral sketch. These are beautiful. Oh yeah, those layer so well together. And speaking of layering, let's go ahead and open these up as well. So look at this reversible dashboard set, fresh cut spring. Are these not so pretty? Yeah, I love the colors on this one. So yeah, whether you use these two or these two. I think I'm leaning more towards this one. I think it is just really, really pretty. And then, of course, just all of the layering, right? And then we're going to have the planner cover. So this is the floral sketch with a quote, and it says, "Quiet the mind and the soul will speak." This is just so beautiful, nice and simple, and that is exactly why I love Jane's Agenda's sub box, because everything is just so neutral, so just clean and sophisticated, and that is what I love. So let's see, look, we could even pop this here in the back, or maybe even layer this one so we can have more of that black color peeking through. Here's the M, and then maybe we can layer this. You guys know that I love layers on layers on layers. Yeah, this is all just so beautiful, and I am always blown away by everything that's included. Okay, so the last thing that I see here are some inserts, and this one is manifestation inserts. Okay, let's get into these because I already love the title of these. Okay, so let's see what this is about. Okay, so manifestation journal. I am manifesting, I am grateful for, I see, I have, I feel, and then action plan and daily affirmations. And so this is a vision board for personal, professional, long-term, and then you get to write your own little header there. It's the same thing here in the back. And then we have even more little sections. So like health, career, wealth, travel, family/home, lifestyle, hobbies, knowledge, and love. And then we have the same thing here in the back. And then we have what we had a preview of in the very beginning. Manifestation journal. I am manifesting, I am grateful for, I see, I have, I feel. Then the action plan and daily affirmations. And then we do get dot grid here in the back. And yeah, that is basically the rest of these pages. Oh yeah, this is just a great way to maybe start your day and just kind of journal something, right? Yeah, these are going to be amazing. Perfect. So yeah, that was everything that was included in Jane's Agenda's March 2023 Deluxe Sub Box. So as always, I will go ahead and leave everything linked down in the description box below in case you guys are interested in checking out Jane's Agendas. I always love her sub boxes and her inserts and just everything in her shop. So make sure that you guys do check her out. And I am super excited to be setting up my planner for the month of March and just having a successful March, since February was a little bit wonky and I just wasn't on my A game. So I'm just super ready. So yeah, look at this little bag here. I'm in love with it. So yeah, I am super excited to use everything and just start setting everything up. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at Stephanie Happily Plants, and I'll see you next time.